Hello students. So today we are here with past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense is used for some past incidents, for some incidents of that have been in the past. That identification is ta tha, ti thi, te the. But remember the sound identification a, e, a. For example, Ram बाजार गया, past indefinite. वह गांव गया, past indefinite. Remember, second form of the verb has been made for the past indefinite only. Second form of the verb has been made for past indefinite tense. Only for past indefinite tense. Except past indefinite tense, second form of the verb is never used and nowhere. वह खाता था, exact subject, second form of the verb and object. वह खाता था, उसने खाया. Here you will see two Hindi. वह खाता था और उसने खाया. So वह खाता था, he ate. Very simple. उसने खाया, he ate. The same identification, the same English. मैं खाता था, I ate. हम खाते थे, हम जाते थे, we went. तुम बुलाते थे, you called. So with the help of this table, you can understand and you can make some sentences. So I want you to make some sentences using this table. Also, take a glance here. I for मैं and he for वह. You are aware with this group, but you are not aware with this group. Let me make you understand. I मैं खाता था, but can you say that मैंने खाता था? No, it's wrong. मैंने खाया. मैं खाता था, I ate. मैंने खाया, I ate. वह खाता था, he ate. उसने खाया, he ate. वह खाती थी, she ate. उसने खाया, she ate. हम खाते थे, we ate. हमने खाया, we ate. वे खाते थे, they ate. उन्होंने खाया, they ate. तुम खाते थे, you ate. तुमने खाया, you ate. So the pursuit of this table, the group of words is difficult to use, and this group of words is only used in past indefinite, where you can say the मैंने, उसने, हमने, like this, उन्होंने. So whenever you are using past indefinite tense, remember these sentences also, these words that मैंने, हमने, followed by only in past indefinite tense. On the other hand, the point to remember, second form of the verb is used in past indefinite tense only. That's all. Thank you.